pagi semua. Salam stay at home. Okay, so today we are going to learn Java method. Okay. So what is a method? A method is actually a chain of a statement, and there are two types of method. The first one is a standard method, and the second one is a user-defined method. Okay, what's the difference between the already available for us to use it? In a manipulation level, four types of standard library. The first one is of a class which input data. We use the standard library that is next square. Our input statement is empty. Don't forget to put the same and with by bracket. Next standard library method of max class, which is return the square root of the numbers. Okay, and the sixth is SQI for is a power. In a bracket we have A, comma B, which is this method is a method of max class which returns as the B3, so means that power 3. And lastly is a syntax that we always use when using a Java is string, which is statement or this method is used to print the string that is written with the quotation double quote. Okay, so we already learned the standard library method. Now we are going to go to the next method, which is user-defined method. Okay, what is user-defined method? Okay, which is a method that defined by the programmer. Okay, we as a programmer, we have to write that method, and this method is used to it can be defined inside a class, but make sure outside the main method. Okay, inside the class but outside the main method. Okay, where is the location of the method? Remember, the method is inside the class, okay, but outside the main method. Okay, so here is a class, here is open curly bracket for the method, and this is a close bracket for the method name, and there is the close bracket for the class. So the method is between these two curly bracket. Okay, so inside the class but outside the main method. So where is the location? Okay, yes, there is the location of the user-defined method. Okay, so this is the area for the programmer to define their method. Okay, user-defined method is here. Actually, method main and user-defined method, we can shuffle the location, whether the method definition is on the top or at the bottom. Okay, and this part also we can call method body. Okay, there are two types of user-defined method. Okay, the first one is with the terms is void. Void means that method is without returning any value, no return value. For example, okay, for example, we have class name KMPK, and we just want to system.out.print festival inside matriculasi. There is no value here. Okay, they only want to print the statement festival inside matriculation. So this is we call method without returning any value, which is void method. Okay, and then this is the second method, which is method with a returning value. Either that value is integer, double, boolean, or string. Okay, so for example, we have here is a class area, and our method is to find the value of area. So the process or the calculation of the area we write in a method body. Okay, and we have to return value area. So we have the terms return here. Return area means return the value area into the main. Okay, so the general format of method definition, the syntax is a return type followed by the method name, followed by the parameters, and open curly bracket for method definition. Okay, so the return type is a double because the error is in a double. So method name, okay, basically we have to use the verb here and start with the small letter to differentiate with the class name, and make sure method name is not the same name with the class name or any other variable in this program, and followed by the parameters, and we have to declare the parameters in this bracket. Okay, this parameter actually is the input of the process. Okay, we use the small letter r, so we multiply with r here. Okay, and don't forget put the open curly bracket, and lastly close the curly bracket. Okay, so how to write the general format of the method definition for no returning any value? Okay, we have the return type, which is a void. Method name, okay, make sure the verb and small letter, followed by the parameters. Okay, there is no parameters, no input, so means no parameters for void method definition. Done. No return value. And don't forget, open curly bracket and close curly bracket. Okay, so next part, okay, we have to know how to write what we call this is the method will be called from the main method, okay, using the object and method name. Okay, so call a user defined method. Okay, first we have to create an object using the class name using the following syntax. Okay, this is the syntax to write the this is the syntax how to create an object. Okay, start with the class name followed by the object name equal new class name, then call the method using the following syntax. Okay, so we have two steps here. The first is to create, the second step, okay, so syntax, object name followed by method name and arguments. Okay, for example, okay, look at here example. Okay, first we have to create an object. Remember the syntax how to create an object is a class name followed by object name equal new class name. Okay, so this is the class, this is the area where we have to create an object. Okay, so the syntax is a class name. Okay, sorry. Okay, once again, okay, class name is a circle area. This is our class name, circle area with C and A is a capital letter. Object name, most of the Java program we use the object OBJ, or sometimes we use MC for method call, or sometimes we use method or any other object. Okay, so most of the time we use OBJ as an object name. equal new class name. Once again, circle area and follow by square bracket, semicolon. Okay, this is for the first step to create an object. Okay, done. Next step. Okay, the second step is we want to call the method. Okay, there is the syntax to call the method. Object name dot method name argument. Okay, so object name is our obj dot method name is a find area. This is the method name, find area. In bracket is an argument, radius. Do not declare argument in this bracket because we already declare in a method main. Okay, this is an argument, this is a parameter. There is the difference. This variable is only used for the method and that variable is used in the method main. Okay. Let's try. Write a program to find area of circle by using Java without method and with method. Okay. So Java without method versus Java with method. Okay. This is the step, okay, to answer this question. Okay. Write a program to find area of circle by using Java without method and with method. Okay, find area of circle. Okay, so this is without method. Okay, we start with the import java.ut.scanner. Next, class circle area. Okay, public static void main string scanner sc. Okay, careful this part sc. Declare all the variable, double radius area equals 0. Then we have to prompt to the user system.out.print enter radius, and this is the input statement. Radius equal sc.next in. Okay, input statement for integer data type. And then after we enter the radius, okay, we want to calculate the area. And then we want to display the message of the area and the value of the area. Okay, this is the basic Java programming without using a method. Okay, so we have an input, we have a process, a formula, and then we display the value of the formula. Okay, how to write this program or to convert this program into Java method? Okay, so firstly, you have to identify which part that we have to method. Okay, so this is the part that we have to write in the method body, the process or the formula of the program. Okay, so this is a method body, method area. So we already have the formula. We declare here double area equal 3.142 times r times r. Okay, this is radius, this is r, because this is the parameter and this is the argument. Okay, next. Okay, all the syntax start from the import until the input statement. Okay, we just transfer everything into the Java with method. Okay, and then also the system.out.print. Okay, we just put here. Then followed by we have to declare the method definition, data type, followed by the method name and the parameter, and open curly bracket. Next, return area, close curly bracket. So what should we write here? Okay, remember just now we have two steps, okay, that we have to write in the method main. The first is to create the object, and the second one is we have to call the method. Okay, so first create and then second method call. Okay, create object. What is circle area? Circle area is a class name, followed by obj is a method what we call this, this is a class name, this is a method object equal new class name, and then call is a obj. Obj is a method object. Dot find area. Find area is a method name. Radius is a argument. Okay, here. And we assign the method call into the area, so that's why we plus area here. Okay. Or else, okay, we can put the method call together in the system.out.print. Okay. That's it for today. Okay, thank you. Salam, stay at home. Good luck. Keep doing an exercise. Okay. Bye. Assalamualaikum. Oh, I cannot stop the video. Hmm.